In this video, we'll guide you step by step through installing, programming, and testing your OAM-Explorer for optimal performance. The first step in installing your sensor is determining the appropriate mounting configuration. For standard installations, the sensor must be mounted at the top, directly over the center of the door. If the sensor will be exposed to high vibrations, use the OAM mount, a 36-inch extension mount. This mount can be installed on either a wall or the ceiling. In this demonstration, the installation is shown on a wall for added stability in challenging environments. For sectional or vertical lift doors, use the OAMS mount. This setup requires you to provide your own angle iron, which will span the width of the door, ensuring secure and proper alignment. Step 2. Mounting the sensor. When mounting the sensor, ensure the larger active infrared window is on the left and the smaller microwave window is on the right for proper function. Secure the bracket, align the sensor's screw holes with the mounting surface, and tighten the screws firmly. Use a level to ensure the sensor is straight, as proper leveling is critical for accurate performance. Step 3. Adjusting the sensor angles. After mounting the sensor, loosen the angle adjustment screws on its sides to adjust the active infrared window on the left for safety and the microwave window on the right for motion activation. Set the active infrared window to 0 degrees and the microwave window to 30 to 35 degrees as a baseline, adjusting further as needed. Align the notches on each window with the embossed degree markings and use the bottom notch for wall mounting and the top notch for ceiling mounting. Tighten the screws to secure the angles. Step 4. Connecting the sensor cable and wiring. Once the sensor is affixed in place and the angles are set, connect the supplied cable to the back of the sensor. Ensure the connection is properly aligned and firmly seated. Listen and feel for the click to confirm the cable is securely connected. A proper connection is essential for reliable performance. Next, take the supplied cable and wire it to the door control board. Refer to your door manufacturer's manual to ensure the connections are accurate. For your convenience, detailed diagrams for all major door manufacturers are available on our website. Proper wiring is critical to functionality of the sensor with your door system. Now that the sensor is installed, our technical support team is here to assist if you need further help. Be sure to check out our other installation and programming resources at optexamerica.com